Hello, you're welcome to IDC Learning Center YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be looking at algebra. For those of you that are preparing for competitive entrance examination 2023, this video is definitely for you. I want you to know that algebra is one of the most important aspects of maths, as you need this skill to be able to crack complex problems. Let's get started. Let's look at the first question. Question 1. My father is 35 years old. His age is twice mine plus 7. How old am I? In this question, the question says the father is 35 years old. Take note of this. Okay, this is the father's age. Now, the son's age was not given, so let it be any letter of your choice. I like using letter X, so let the X stands for the son's age. Now, the question says the father's age is twice the son's age plus 1. So if the son's age is X, the father's age will be twice X plus 7. Okay, you can see it here. His age, referring to the father, is twice mine plus 7. So since the son's age is X, the father's age will be twice X plus 7. Remember, this will be equal to the father's age, which is 35. Now, what I've done, I've derived an equation for question 1. So we need to now solve this equation. 2x plus 7 equal to 35 to get the son's age. Remember, this x represents the son's age. The first thing we are going to do is to collect like terms. This 7 has a positive sign. As it crosses the equal to sign to meet 35, this plus will change to minus. So if I remove plus 7 from the left hand side, I will be left with 2x only equal to, at the right hand side we have 35. Now, as plus 7 crosses the equal to sign to the right hand side, the plus will change to minus. It will give me minus 7. Alright, 2x equal to 35 minus 7 will give me 28. To get the value of x, which represents the son's age, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. 2 year 1, 2 year 1, 2 year 1. 2 into 28 will give me 14. So the son's age represented by x equal to 14 years. I hope this is clear. Now let's look at the next question. Question 2 says the difference between 45 and 92 is 3 more than twice a number. What is a number? Take note, the difference between 45 and 92. In math, difference means to subtract. So the first thing we need to do is to subtract 45 away from 92. So 92 minus 45. Borrow 1 from 9. 9 reduces to 8. Put the 1 here. 12 minus 5 is 7. 8 minus 4 is 4. So the difference is 47. Now this difference, that is 47, equal to is 3 more than twice a number. If the number is x, twice the number will be 2x. 3 more means plus 3. Okay, you can see that in algebra, for unknown number, always represent them with any letter of your choice and always try to derive an equation for any question given, like I've done in question 1. Now I've done the same thing in question 2. All I need to do now is to solve this equation. You can see on the board. To do this, I need to collect like terms. But let me just rewrite this. This is same thing as 2x plus 3 equal to 47. Of course, it's the same thing. I just have to rewrite it. Now, I'm going to move plus 3 to the right hand side to meet 47. So if I remove plus 3 here, I'll be left with 2x alone at the left hand side equal to 47. As plus 3 crosses the equal to sign to the right hand side, the plus changes to minus and we have minus 3. So 2x equal to 47 minus 3 will give me 44. Alright, let me bring it up here. 2x equals to 44. To get the value of x, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. 2 here 1, 2 into 44 is 22. So x equals to 22. Remember, the difference between 45 and 92 is 3 more than twice the number. So, since the difference is 47, let's see if I'm right. Twice 22 will give me 44. 3 more, it will give me 47. You can see I'm correct. So, the right answer is 22. Okay. Let's look at question 3. Question 3 says, I am a number. If I am added to 14, you get the same answer as if I'm subtracted from 40. What number am I? Algebra represents this number that was not given with any letter of your choice. Okay, this time around, let me use letter A. Let the number be A. If I'm added to 14, so there is 14. If the number A is added to 14, the same answer equal to, you get the same answer as if I'm subtracted from 40. So there is 40 and now subtract A. What number am I? So we need to solve for A to get the number. Again, collect like terms. Let A, okay, be at the left hand side. This is the equal to sign, but I'm going to move this 14 to the right hand side to meet 40. Now this 14 is a positive number. It doesn't have any negative sign. As the 14 crosses the equal to sign, the 14 will change to minus 14. Why this minus A? As it crosses this equal to sign to meet plus A at the left hand side, the minus will turn to plus A. Again, for the equal to sign, as plus crosses, it changes to minus, and when minus crosses, it changes to plus. So A plus A will give me 2A equal to 40 minus 14 will give me 26. So I'm going to bring the equation up. 2A equal to 26. To get the value of A, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. 2 here 1, 2 into 26 is 13. So the number represented by A is 13. I have my answer. You can see that algebra is quite interesting. And before solving, these questions look very complex. But with algebra, you can see that they are easy. So that's why you must learn how to use algebra to tackle problems so that most complex problems can be easier for you. I mean problems that are algebra. Okay, let's look at question 4. The sum of two numbers is 245. One is half as much again as the other. Find the two numbers. Now, in this question, the sum of the two numbers has been given as 245. If one of the number is x, the question says the other is half as much again. Half as much again, let this be the first, will be the half of the number plus the number. This is the meaning of half as much again. Half plus the number is half as much again. Now I can solve this to get a fraction. Let the LCM be 2. Now use this 2 denominator to divide this to give you 1. 1 times x will give me 1x, which is same thing as x plus. Use this 1 to divide the 2, it will give me 2. 2 times x will give me 2x. So x plus 2x will give me 3x over 2. So the second number represented in bracket is 2x equal to 2. Back to the question. The sum of the two numbers is 245. So x plus 3x over 2 equal to 245. That's the two numbers. Let this be over 1. LCM is 2. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 times x. 2x for the first fraction. For the second fraction, 2 divided by 2, the denominator is 1. 1 times 3x will give me 3x equal to 245. 2x plus 3x will give me 5x divided by 2 equal to 245. All whole numbers have a denominator of 1. Now cross multiply. 5x times 1 will give me back 5x equal to, but then 2 times 245 will give me 490. Write it here. To get the value of x, I'm going to divide both sides by 5. 5 here 1, 5 here 1. 5 here 1, 5 into 49 is 9. Remainder 4, put it here, 5 into 40 is 8. So, for the first number, x equal to, my answer is 98. In the question, the second number is half as much again as the first, and we said the second number we've represented it with 3x divided by 2. So the second number will be 3 times the x, which is 98, divided by 2. Okay, so 3 times 98 will give me 294 divided by 2, which will give me 147. So for the two numbers, the first is 98 and the second is 147. Answer. Thank you. To question 5. The sum of two numbers is 140 and their difference is 56. What are they? Let the first number, the smaller one, be x. I want you to know, let me give you this instance. If you have 20 minus 18, the difference is 2. In this simple question, you know that to get this larger one, which is 20, is the smaller plus the difference will give you the larger. So if the smaller is x, the larger here will be x plus the difference, which is 56. That's why I gave this illustration. So the question says the sum of the two numbers is 140. So the smaller x plus the larger x plus 56 equal to 140. We've generated an equation for question 5. X plus x will give me 2x plus 56 equal to 140. Let me bring it up. If 2x plus 56 will give me 140, I'm going to collect like terms. Move plus 56 to the right to meet 140. So we have 2x at the left equal to 140 minus 56. Okay, so 2x equal to, now 140 minus 56 will give me 84. To get the value of x, divide both sides by 2. 2 here 1, 2 into 2, 1. 2 here 1, 2 into 84 is 42. So one of the number is 42. But the other number is the smaller plus 56. So the larger number will be this, the smaller, which is 42, plus 56, which is the difference, which will give me 98. So this is the larger and 42 is the smaller. Okay. Question 6. A cycle dealer sold a bicycle for 12 naira 20 kobo. He gained 1/3 of what it cost. How much did the dealer pay? For profit and loss, selling price is always equal to cost price plus profit. The selling price has been given as 15.20, but then the profit was given as a fraction, which is 1/3. For profit and loss, cost price is always 1 when represented as a fraction. So plus the profit, which is 1/3. So let's solve this fraction. 1/1 plus 1/3. LCM is 3. 1 into 3, 3. 3 times 1, 3. Go to the next fraction. 3 divided by 3, 1. 1 times 1, 1. Everything here will give me 4/3. So the fraction, this 4/3, which is everything here, 4/3 equal to the amount sold, which is the selling price. To get the cost price is always the denominator, so you flip. If you flip, the cost price being 3 will come up. We have 3/4 now times 15.20 will give us the cost price. So cost price equal to 4 year 1. 4 into 15 is 3. Remainder 3. 4 into 32 is 8. Bring down your 0. So cost price will be 3.80 times 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 8 is 24. Put 4. Bring 2 here. 3 times 3, 9, 10, 11. So the cost price will be 11 naira 40 kobo. Question 7. Dayo is now twice as old as Okwe. This time last year, Dayo was 29. How old is Okwe now? If Dayo was 29 this time last year, that means Dayo is 30 years now. Since the question says that Dayo is twice as old as Okwe, if Dayo is 30, that means Okwe will be half of Dayo's age, which is 15 years. Question 8. 1/3 of a number is 2 more than 1/4 of it. What is the number? Let the number be x. 1/3 of this, that's x/3 of a number, is 2 more than equal to 2 more than 1/4 of the number is x divided by 4. Now I've generated an equation for this question. Let this be over 1. Okay, or you can just collect like terms. Move x divided by 4 to the left hand side to meet x/3. Now x/3 at the left, x divided by 4 is a positive number, it's carrying a positive sign. As it crosses the equal to sign, it changes to minus x/4 equal to 2 stands alone at the right hand side. LCM for those at the left hand side will be 12. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times x is 4x minus 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 times x is 3x equal to 2. 4x minus 3x will give me 1x, which is something as x/12 equal to 2/1. Cross multiply. X times 1 will give me x. Now 2 times 12 will give me 24. So that is the number. Alright, question 9. The average of 5 numbers is 27. If the average is 27, get the sum, like the total sum of the 5 you multiply, will give me 27 times 5. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 carry 3. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 3. The sum of 5 is 135. Now, if one of the numbers is excluded, it will now be 4 numbers. The average becomes 25. Since one number has been excluded, we do sum of 4, which will give me 25 times 4, 100. The question says, what is the excluded number? The excluded number is simply sum of 5, which is 135, minus sum of 4, which is 100. So the number excluded is 35. Okay, question 10. The last question for the day. What number divided by 59 will give 9 as a quotient and 7 as a remainder? let the number be x. Okay, so x divided by 59 equal to 9. I've interpreted this question. Let this be over 1. You cross multiply. X times 1 is x. Now 59 times 9, let's do it here. 59 times 9. 9 times 9 is 81. Put 1, bring 8 here. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 8 is 53. So x is 531. Don't forget the remainder, 7 as a remainder. So add the remainder, the number will be 538. Thank you for watching this video. I'm sure you've learned important mathematical way of solving problems. I want you to subscribe to this channel if you've not done so. Please share this video. Keep supporting IDC Learning Center YouTube channel, as I will be bringing more resourceful exam-based lessons your way. For now, I'm going to say bye.